Uh, Hello. So here we are going to look into the features of Tradejini Q Plus Financials. So we have taken two stocks here so that we can do a simultaneous comparison. Uh, so basically, JTech India, which is into auto ancillaries, which produces auto ancillaries. So I before I buy, I want to have a clear understanding about the financials. So what I do, I click on the stock name JTech India and it shows me the current market price, bid and ask. And then here on the top, you can see the tab financials. I click on that. So with one glance, I can make out that whether the sales of the company is increasing. So from 1,510 in the March 2020, the sales has increased to 2,043. So that's a positive indication. And the net profit of the company has been steadily increasing from 30 crores. It has gone up to 81. Here we have written thing. Now, if you want to see it in bar chart, that feature is also available. From 30, it has gone to 81. Then earning per share. Like if I'm paying around 140 rupees per share today, if I buy, how much can I expect the company to make a profit for me in a year? So currently they're doing around 3.3. So if the sales increases, the EPS will also increase, provided they're able to cut down and manage the expenses. Book value per share. That is after you, in a simple layman term, the total assets of the companies minus the liabilities, how much is the reserves the current company is currently holding. So uh, the asset minus liabilities would come close to 28.75. That means the company's book value per share is around 28.75. Return on equity. Now, whatever the share capital the company has raised, how much percentage returns it is generating. Higher this, it is considered to be better. Now, quickly, I want to see whether Timken has got a better return on equity. All I have to do is click on Timken, go to financials, then you have to click on return on equity. It is around 17.61. Okay, I have to click on Timken, click on financials, then click on return on equity. It is around 17.61. Then I want to see what is the uh, other income which the company is generating, how much is their total expenditure, and then how much interest are they paying on the debt, and what is the profit available. So here you got a graphical overview, here you will get a detailed overview. Then I'm interested to know what is their current liabilities which they have to what is the total liabilities which they have to pay. So the liabilities comes around 97 crores. But if you look at their total asset, it's around 3000 crores, which is a decent number. Then I'm interested to see the cash flow, whether they had taken too much of loan. So financing activities, it's 17. That means they're repaying the loan back and they're investing the cash into other businesses and investment opportunities. Then you can see the ratios here. And here you can click. And if you want to see something like growth ratios, 3-year sales has been consistently growing. Then you are interested to see the for every 100 rupees sales, how much do they earn? They earn 19 rupees as their then you want to see what is the liquidity conditions of the company. Then you want to see the shareholding. That is whether the domestic institutional investors are buying the stock or not. So domestic institutionals have been buying the stock. Now I'm interested to know what is happening in JTech India. I go here, I click on financials, then I click on shareholding. You can see JTech India domestic institutional investors are slightly buying it. And then you can also see the corporate actions, like how frequently does the company give the dividend. JTech India, the dividend is like every year they're giving around 50 to 60 paisa. That works out less than 0.5%. Then when was the bonus issue or a stock split done? Not much over here. Then you can do a peer comparison like JTech India, Exide, Sonacoms, Endurance. What is their PE ratio? So JTech India has got a PE of 45, Motherson has got 25, Bosch has got 45. So like that you can do the comparison. Now, if any institutional deals are there, that can be seen here. Okay, so like using this Tradejini financials view, you can get a glance of a stock before you buy. And hardly it took us less than 3 minutes to do this analysis because the data was easily available. Thank you.